Hello guys, Ewan here. Now here we have an intro of the brand new Axe level crossing in Devon. This crossing's got LEDs. Keep crossing clear, an old reused phone sign. There's the back of the lights with the brand new Yodel alarm. 07-2023 this one is. SPS rail. This new barrier. This barrier's got one thin weight. There's that barrier there. Still got its old rubber crossing plant with wooden anti-trespass guide. There's broom over there. Back of these old reused lights, new poles, but old Unipart lights. Here's the telephone. It's the same old telephone. I'll wait to cross. This time we've got the old keep crossing clear sign. Brand new pedestal, but still the old telephone. Brand new set of lights. Back of lights with the brand new alarm. These alarms are really loud. There's a barrier there. One way again. There's a barrier there. And this sign's actually in the way of this phone. Very hard to open. I don't think that's going to close actually. Oh, there we go. And there's that light with the twisted. This light's actually twisted more since it was last filmed. I think it's not. Right, so that was an intro of Axe level crossing in Devon. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video.